Well, yesterday's strong thunderstorms did leave behind some much needed rain, but now as the rain moves out, we have some wildfire smoke moving in. This is different than the last couple of weeks. 13 weather ball is still blinking bright. There are still a few showers to the east early tonight, and it's red, 13 weather ball, and that means warmer weather ahead. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Here are the rainfall reports from yesterday through today. A half inch or more, especially from Grand Rapids and Ionia eastward, over an inch in Ann Arbor. It did help out, breaking a little bit of that drought across the area. It has ushered in some cooler and very humid conditions. Still a shower there in Holland being reported. We're at 68 right now, but dew points are in the 60s. It is very humid outside, but these dew points will be dropping as the air quality goes down. Right now we have USG, or unhealthy for sensitive groups. Notice across the lake some unhealthy conditions, and there's a possibility some of that could move in here tomorrow. So for unusual, I've never seen an entire statewide air quality alert or clean air action day. This is all due to wildfire smoke getting down to the ground. Right now, we've got a scattered showers moving through the area. There's the parent low heading to the east, so the showers will come to an end. That'll eventually bring in some drier air, but as the clouds move on out, we're going to see that wildfire haze move on in. This is our down at the ground surface model. You can see overnight tonight, look at how it goes from blue to green to yellow to red and orange, and that is getting into the high wildfire smoke throughout the day tomorrow. So definitely stay indoors if you've got any kind of breathing problems. After that, we're going to see the smoke kind of lean toward more haze, but the rain moving on out. Sunshine will move in late in the day tomorrow, and on Wednesday we got a beautiful day coming up. Very quiet, nice and sunny. Just a very small chance of a shower during the day on Thursday, and then over the weekend, chances of rain are not zero, and as we head into the holiday weekend, there is a chance of a shower again on Saturday, but for the most part, Sunday and Monday looking okay. But Tuesday, the all-important holiday, any showers or storms should stay well to our east. Very typical summer weather pattern. From July 2nd through the 6th, we are going to return to warmer than average readings with an equal chance for more or less precipitation during that 5-day period. At the lakeshore, we have strong waves, 4 to 6 footers. There's a beach hazard alert all the way through Tuesday night as those winds will be coming right down the lakeshore. So stay out of the water. Our 10-day outlook calling for hazy conditions after the smoke moves out here tomorrow. We're looking at a scattered shower or a thunderstorm Friday into Saturday, and again perhaps after the 4th of July. On the 4th itself, we will be up to around 89 degrees. Yesterday's strong storms, today's showers did bring some much needed rain. But now as that moves on out, wildfire smoke is moving on in. I can actually starting to smell it in the air out here on the weather deck, and it's going to get even worse tonight and tomorrow. 13 weather ball blinking bright for a few lingering showers to the east early tonight before they end. 13 weather ball is also red, warmer weather ahead all week long, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Still pretty overcast for Lucy and Moses, but you too, we're going to give you the green paw for Seth Take You Out. Should be in the upper 60s here this evening and low 60s in the morning. Kind of humid yet this evening. Tomorrow, a little more sunshine to generate that green electricity from the sun. 7.1 out of a 10-point scale. A little breezy, especially in the northern part of our viewing area. 4.8 out of a 10-point scale, so a great day to generate some green electricity. Already, we're in the USG group here at this hour. That's that orange color. We may briefly get into the unhealthy group here during the day tomorrow, but right now, just the USG in orange, but stay indoors if you have asthma or a place where you can get clean air. Already the wildfire smoke starting to move on in. You'll notice that it goes from a blue and a green to a red and an orange overnight tonight. So you wake up, go to work tomorrow, and you'll smell all of that wildfire smoke in the air, and that will continue throughout the day tomorrow before a little bit of that starts to move on out Wednesday night Tuesday night into Wednesday. After that, we've got some fairly quiet conditions with just some hazy skies toward the end of the week. Notice all the showers to our east tonight. We stay mostly cloudy overnight, but skies will clear tomorrow. We'll see lots of sunshine, but it'll be hard to see with all of that smoke in the air. It'll be just a red ball in the sky. And as we start the day on Wednesday, chances of rain are very, very small. We have one or two chances between now and the 4th of July. And you can see with the rainfall tonight, that's mostly to the east of Grand Rapids. Long range outlook, well, hopefully we get it to load here. Let's see if it'll load. We have a high chance that it'll be warmer than average here in the West Michigan area from July 4th through the first 10 days of July. And as you can see, we have a little bit higher chance for seeing more rainfall. This is quite a change from what we have seen. The airflow is coming in from the west instead of the northwest, which means we finally will get some moisture from the Pacific Northwest and from the south. Water temperatures today and over the weekend started to improve once we get that south-southwest wind instead of the east winds. It blew that warm surface water all the way into our part of the state. Low and even some mid-60s now from basically Pentwater south. So the smoke layer is already starting to move on in, mostly cloudy skies, mid and upper 50s for your overnight lows, around 60 in Muskegon and Holland down towards South Haven. Northern zone, your smoke will move in here a little while under mostly cloudy skies, mid 50s along US 10, near 60 elsewhere, and around the greater Grand Rapids area, upper 50s to near 60 with that smoke layer moving on in. 13 on your side forecast. So it'll be smoky, quite a bit different than we have seen so far with just the haze in the air. So it'll be not a great day to be outdoors. 83 on Wednesday, 88 on Thursday. There's a chance of a thunderstorm Friday and also a better chance Saturday. But right now, I'm thinking the weather is just going to be humid with some sunshine Sunday, Monday, and the holiday next Tuesday as we hit the mid and upper 80s with some high humidity. So again, yeah, the main thing will be that dirty air quality here tomorrow.
The smoke and the humidity at the same time. Wow. All right, thanks, George.
Got some beneficial rain despite some strong storms yesterday, but now we're going to have to deal with wildfire smoke, different from what we have seen so far this year. 13 weather ball is red. Warmer weather ahead as the clouds depart and the wildfire smoke moves in. It's blinking bright. There are still a few lingering showers to the east early tonight. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. With the clouds and showers, cool temperatures today compared to our average of 82. Only made 71 here in Grand Rapids and also Muskegon, but that's exactly what we forecast. We had a good streak going on 13 days in a row within our target, including three bullseyes in the last 3 days. You can see the heavier rains from Grand Rapids to the east with over an inch in the Ann Arbor area, and that has certainly helped out with our ongoing drought and dry conditions, but we're still running pretty close to 2 inches below average. Now they've had more rain up north, especially Traverse City and in the UP, where they're running a little bit of a surplus, closer to average for this time of year. We're exactly even for our temperatures, but still well below average for that precipitation by about 2.5 inches and about the average amount of sunshine. And we've improved our position in the driest Junes. We've gone from like 3rd or 4th to 8th driest on record. 1988 only had 1/4 of an inch of rain during that time period. Well, we're shifting from rain to wildfire smoke. I already can smell it in the air out here on the weather deck. The entire state of Michigan under an air quality alert. This is for wildfire smoke, and from our near surface model showing it goes from pretty good air quality to really bad of wildfire smoke. Anything in the yellow, oranges, and reds, that's not very good. So you're going to need to be indoors or wear a mask if you're going to be outside here during the day tomorrow, and that's going to continue through tomorrow night. And even though the sun will come out tomorrow, it'll be kind of like this hazy red ball in the sky. Don't think it'll be quite as bad as New York City, but certainly very low visibility. That haze and smoke is going to hang into the air through portions of Wednesday as well. So a couple of smoky days coming up. Most of the rain is done. That's moving to the east. We're going to see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies overnight, but skies will clear. But as I mentioned, you'll just see that fiery, hazy ball in the sky, and we'll stay with clear skies and mostly sunny conditions, at least for a couple of days. Now out in Lake Michigan, we have small craft advisories and a beach hazard alert all day long. You're not going to be able to go into the water because waves will be running about 4 to 5 and even high as 6 feet, and they may actually go up a little bit during the day tomorrow. Forecast at the lakeshore, mid-70s from Hart and Ludington north, 80 Muskegon. Further south along the lake, it'll be cooler with that wind coming down the lake. Again, partly cloudy skies with that smoke in the air. Similar up north, mid-70s along US 10, upper 70s Fremont and Greenville. Take it easy if you have to be outside, and upper 70s to near 80 here in the greater Grand Rapids area with that wildfire smoke. 13 on your side forecast. The smoke lifts a little bit, but the haze hangs around Wednesday through at least Friday, maybe into early Saturday. Our humidity levels are going to be going down until next week when they rise once again. We'll see virtually dry conditions Sunday through Tuesday at the moment, but we'll, of course, update that as we get closer to the 4th of July.